In this problem, we're going to take a look at carbon dioxide, or CO2, and carbon monoxide, or CO. To begin with the Lewis structures, we know that each carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. We know that each oxygen atom has a total of 6 valence electrons. However, because we have a subscript of 2 on carbon dioxide, we need to multiply that by a value of 2. So in reality, we end up having 4 plus 12, which gives us a total of 16 valence electrons. When we think about our carbon monoxide, now we have 4 plus 6, so now we know that we only have 10 valence electrons. In our carbon dioxide, we're going to use the least electronegative atom in the center, followed by our more electronegative atoms on the outside. Now, since we know that carbon has 4